Achieving a high-performance building envelope, regardless of climate zone, begins with a high-performance Formawall insulated metal panel. With its sturdy metal face and liner, a core of halogen-free closed-cell polyisocyanurate insulation, and sophisticated pressure-equalized rain screen joinery, the Formawall panel provides all the essential controls against the elements in just a single component. A continuous air, water, and vapor barrier, and a superior thermal barrier via high R-value insulation, thermally broken and positioned outboard of framing. Combined with infinite possibilities in form and finish, and a complete range of Formawall integrated components, a visually compelling high-performance building envelope begins with a high-performance Formawall insulated metal panel.